honestly don't even care how I look right now. We're going to be doing a makeup tutorial. Pretty much what I would do if I was going out. Feel free to laugh. Yeah, the professional. That's it. My eyes. If you ask me, I did not sleep at all. Thinking about what to upload for you guys. Just YouTube, like, and I'm not in school because I do what I want.
Damn, it feels good to be a gangster.
And I don't want to go to school. It's my senior sweater. Hashtag VPA, I love you. They're really not. It's just my laptop is like, you guys are sitting on it. And this is what my laptop looks like. I feel like you guys are gonna fall. You guys fell. And sorry. If my double chin comes through, just say hi to her. She's not that shy, as we see. This is my laptop. And you guys may not believe. You guys can see what you're sitting on right there. Just so, because I feel like my pores still have not like died. I feel them. At this point, I have way too much primer on. So, yeah. What are you guys up to? If you guys want to subscribe, if you guys want to subscribe, we're gonna be doing Fit Me. I don't even know if this is, I had longer nails before this video, I promise you. But something happened and I hate when they feel soft, so I legitimately like cut them off with my stuff. And then Estee Lauder, which is running out, so my mom is probably like, keep on with the foundation. We're getting this should be my color. Ooh. Oh. This is my favorite brush. So now we switch off back to my phone. Well, to my phone. I say it looks pretty decent. Yet again, I don't know what decent looks like, so. Else, green. I don't know which concealer to be using because I have no idea. So. Yeah, that's the one. I think that's it. Whoa, that's dry. Let me not use that because Mario is just gonna use regular rose water. But since no one's talking, I'll talk. It's kind of hard to be on YouTube because when you don't get views, you don't get like no people. And I only have currently like 13. So, what is my family gonna be telling me to do? Nothing. I mean, I already know what I'm going to do. I'm going to be speeding this up because we're not talking. Because, like I said in my last video, I have a diary full of ideas. So, yeah. My friend once told me that that's for sad people. I don't give a damn. Then I'm sad. And that's rough. And that to me is totally okay. I look super white right now. I don't know. You know my views up, but if you want to subscribe, please subscribe. If you don't, then you know that's totally fine. I'm not going to like chase you or anything.
I know how to.
I'm not gonna kill you for not subscribing. It's just, yeah. Now I'm going to be doing this. Oh, I need that. I lost it, so I don't know. So if you guys hear I already messed up. Please send help. I do not know what I'm doing. But let's contour. I don't know how to contour. So I guess this should be interesting. I already started. Yeah. This wouldn't be it. So I'm going to be doing this again. If I knew how to do my makeup, I would be way much better at life. So yeah, if you hear footsteps, my neighbors are extremely annoying and they're extremely rude. They clearly know like who lives under here, but they don't care. So okay. Brows. This is a total fucking mess. I don't know what I'm doing wrong, so just I messed up. Remember right there that I don't know exactly what I'm doing. If you find this video helpful at all, let me know. I can't find pretty much anything that I totally need. I have this from Benefit, the brow setter. Let's just start with eyeshadow. Really wrong. We're gonna be doing. Please be my friend because I'm in desperate need of some. extremely dirty. Because I already bronzed, I'm gonna take this one. Let's just go ahead and highlight. No, I'm gonna take this one. Wait, this is my favorite. I'm gonna take this one and this one, by the way. These two. That's a lot. I totally don't know what I'm doing, so feel free to follow my exact steps.
Around me are familiar faces, worn out.
I do not wear eyelashes. I don't know what other color. In the end, this is totally going to work out. Extremely awkward. I'm not even talking, but I wanted to do a Q&A, which I kind of did on like my story time video, but because nobody pretty much asked me any questions on my Instagram, like everyone that follows me, I don't even understand why they follow me. Like, why do you follow me if you're not going to engage with me in anything that I try to do for myself? I don't know if I messed up, want to collab, but that's okay because you guys do not care.
What?
This video was not even interested enough, and I'm extremely not sorry. So I already messed up, and I'm already pissed. So obviously, like, it's clearly very, very important for you to be doing these steps, because if you don't, then I'm really sorry. So that's totally it. All dried out. Not do I look ew. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this unfunny, grueling, sad, and very like boring makeup, whatever you want to call it. I'm just gonna say a makeup video because I honestly do not know what to put this as. I do not look okay.